This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a quiet pocket in the Gold Coast, just steps from Lakeshore Drive, Oak Street Beach, and the 18-mile Lakefront Trail for a walk through one of the apartments at 65 East Scott. I'm in apartment 16A, northeast corner, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, looking out on Lake Michigan, a few steps away. Turning north, gonna have great views of the sunrise from this apartment. Floor-to-ceiling windows on 2 walls in the living area. Spacious living dining area. It's carpeted, as are the bedrooms. Heading toward the kitchen. Space for a breakfast table here, or your home office desk. Great view to look out on. Kitchen is galley style. Has a 4-burner electric range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, black countertops, stainless steel sink, has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. Overall, good cabinet and counter space here. Heading toward the entryway, I have a wide coat closet, as you would have walked in, off to your right. Entering the primary suite, there's a closet directly ahead of me. Bath has a black and white motif. There's a pork chop vanity top, triple mirrored medicine cabinet, and a soaking tub. Bedroom can accommodate any size bedding and additional furniture. And there's another closet. Looking back through the kitchen, turning toward bath 2 and bedroom 2. Bath 2 has finishes similar to what you saw in the primary. Also a triple mirrored medicine cabinet and a pork chop vanity top. Bedroom 2 is spacious. Can accommodate any size furniture and space for a seating retreat. 65 East Scott has on-site management, maintenance, and 24/7 door staff. The outdoor pool deck is ringed by trees, has a sunning area, and gas grills. Fitness center has both cardio and strength training equipment. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.